Hey, it's Rock here. Got some good feedback on my last video. I think John feels like I'm on the right track with, working on, getting more, shoulder tilt here, right shoulder higher, left shoulder lower. What I've been feeling over the last few weeks as I work on this is, as I get in here, I just feel like, almost like my whole belt line is starting to move kind of under this way, and the more I can feel this starting to happen, my chest starts feeling out over the ball more, and just my just never felt the freedom I'm feeling now with my arms finally getting through. I'm still having trouble on the driver. I get the feeling maybe through 7-iron through wedge is where I really get the freedom of, I feel that belt just go back, my chest go out, and just my arms break free. This shoulder here stays good. So let's see what's going on with the driver. Alright, real bad pull that time. I just totally committed to, feeling the belt line go back. I felt like get out over it and just hit a pull. Straight pull left. Try it again. Okay, pull left again. That time I hit on the toe in addition to that. A little bit better, felt a little bit free. Felt like I got that belt line back. Felt like my arm's almost starting to break free there. Still not like on a 7-iron. Okay, real bad miss hit there. Just felt like, I feel like I really committed to it, and just it's different. I mean, I'm just in a different place with my body, so let's keep working on it and see what happens. Okay, just a weak fade, miss hit. Horrible shot, but so 2 pulls, 2 pushes. So see if I can get one in the middle. was pretty straight. A little bit of a hook on it. Not hit solid, but the best one out of so far. So continue to work on it. Feel like my body just must be in a different position. Not quite getting the ball contact I normally get. Hitting my wedges, I mean, best of my life. So let's see if I can get it last ball. Okay, pretty good ball, still left. Not that great, so not a good showing there, but I'm continuing to work on it. I'm just gonna have to let the results, be what they are. I'm definitely feeling this move of sitting back with my belt line, getting out here, and then my arms free up, my shoulders free up, everything frees up. Let me try one more. Got to get one decent one, hopefully. All right, decent, a little bit out to the right, still not hit solid. So let's take a look at it, see what I'm doing, see if I'm getting this belt line to go that way back, and just opening up in here. And I'm feeling really good. Feel like I'm on the right track. Thanks, John. Thanks, Chris and Howard, everyone who's been helping me. See you guys. Bye. Alright, here's a 9-iron. See if I can get a good iron on tape to see what's the difference between that and my driver. So just 136 yards, just a comfortable 9-iron. It's about 45 degrees, a little bit cold. All right, a little bit left, try another one. Okay, right at it, 136, just a nice comfortable 9-iron. So let's see what the difference is between that swing and my driver swing. That swing felt free, just felt everything just open up, arms just go through, just very comfortable and great. So I'm trying to get that same feeling on the driver, but really struggling with the driver. Thanks guys, see you, bye.